Alright, fourth week. The 4-week challenge has been quite interesting, and I just feel these challenges give you a little bit of a goal. You may not achieve that goal, but at least you know you're in the right direction. Well, I think I certainly have been. Am I looking fit? Well, I think I'm looking fit, right? My trainer thinks I'm looking good, and that's the whole idea. But what is also a good idea is to be really fit. Last week, let's totally kill it, and then we'll do some maintaining exercises later. Okay? For the moment, time to begin. HIIT. Alright then, 4 weeks challenge is complete, but there's still a lot more to do. Fitness is not just constrained to 4 weeks ever, right? So don't worry, we'll do some fun things together and we'll keep the fitness challenge going. See you soon.